Google has finally unveiled Android 16, bringing a bold and exciting refresh with its brand new Material 3 expressive UI. This update isn't just about a fresh coat of paint. It's designed to make interactions smoother, animations more fluid, and customization better than ever. But that's not all the biggest news for Samsung users. Stable Android 16 is officially coming to Galaxy phones and tablets this summer. Glowing star. Calendar Samsung's One UI 8 update timeline. During the wrap-up of the Android show, Samir Samit, president of Android ecosystem, made it official: Android 16, One UI 8.0, is arriving for Samsung devices this summer. That means you can expect the update to land anytime between June 20th and September 22nd. If you're rocking a Google Pixel, though, you'll get the Android 16 update a bit earlier, in June. Mobile phone: what's coming for Galaxy users? This announcement lines up with earlier leaks suggesting that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 will ship out of the box with One UI 8.0. Multiple reports hint at a July release for these devices, but there's even more good news. Samsung's One UI 8 beta program could launch as soon as this month, meaning the next big update might hit some users earlier than expected. To make things even more exciting, internal beta builds of One UI 8 leaked just a few days ago, giving us a sneak peek at how Samsung's upcoming interface feels. We've tested it on some devices, and spoiler alert, it looks and feels super polished. Check out our exclusive preview video to see One UI 8 in action. Counterclockwise arrows button: Samsung speeds up its update process. Samsung users had a frustrating experience last time around when One UI 7 was delayed by more than 5 months, leaving Galaxy users disappointed worldwide. This time, Samsung is making sure to avoid delays with One UI 8, rolling out updates earlier compared to its predecessor. What does this mean for you? The Galaxy S25 series is expected to receive One UI 8 within the next few weeks. Older Galaxy devices will follow, with updates rolling out progressively in the subsequent weeks. High voltage: what's new in Android 16 and One UI 8? While Google and Samsung haven't revealed every single feature yet, early previews show some exciting changes coming to Android 16 and One UI 8. White heavy checkmark: more customization. The new Material 3 expressive UI lets users tweak colors, icons, and layouts in a more flexible way. White heavy checkmark: enhanced AI integration. Expect smarter predictive features, improved voice controls, and seamless interactions across apps. White heavy checkmark: performance boost. Faster speeds, smoother transitions, and better battery optimization. White heavy checkmark: camera and multimedia upgrades. Samsung is rumored to introduce AI-powered camera enhancements with One UI 8. White heavy checkmark: privacy and security improvements. New encryption tools, app permission controls, and better fraud detection. Directed final thoughts. Android 16 and One UI 8 are shaping up to be one of the most exciting updates for Samsung and Pixel users alike. Whether you're eager for smoother performance, deeper customization, or AI-driven features, this next-gen software is bringing serious upgrades across the board.